Hi, my friends, Attorney Christian Veras today to talk to you about investor's visa or work visa. How do you come to the United States legally and invest and benefit you and your family? Well, I'm going to talk to you about three types of visas that can allow you to do that. The first one is the E2 visa or investor's visa. That's a renewable type of visa that you can renew every 2 years and allows you to be in the country legally, work and live. What do you need for this type of visa? The first thing is that the country where you were born needs to have a commerce treaty with the United States. If you want to know more about whether your country has one or not, you can contact us for more information. Also, you need to have a substantial investment in that business in order for that qualify you to get that visa. You must develop and direct the business. You don't have to create it from the ground up. You can also purchase it, so that's an option for you. The funding where you use the funds has to come from a legitimate source. Immigration is going to check where you're getting the money from to buy or create this new business. And you might be able to bring employees along with you for this type of visa. So it could benefit you, your family, and maybe even employees. Investor's visa, but it's an L1. It's a work visa. The work visa allows for the transfer of employees from one company to the other, in this case, to the United States. You could use it to create another branch. Let's say you have a branch of a company in a foreign country and you want to open a new branch here in the United States. You can do that through this L1 visa. One of the key requirements is that the employee must have worked for the company for at least 1 to 3 years before the person arrives in the United States. Now, key, the employee must have a managerial or executive capacity in the company, or he must have a specialized knowledge in the company. This visa is also renewable, but the difference between this one and the E2 is that it opens the path to a permanent residency. It's very attractive to business people to have an L1. And maybe the most common one, because it's very popular, is the EB5 visa. This is also called the millionaire visa. Why? Well, it requires a big investment. The investment must be between $500,000, which is very rare. It can be allowed, but most likely $1 million in investment. What does that visa allow you to do? It allows you to have a permanent residence within time, but it requires you to create at least 10 jobs. And one of the good things that attract so many people is that you can be a passive investor, just bring the money, or you can be an active entrepreneur and deal and direct the enterprise. So that visa allows you, it gives you a residence right away from the get-go, and then you can renew and get a permanent residence after that. So those are three very common visas that you can either invest or use through work and allow you to come to the United States legally, work, invest, and in some occasions, like the L1 and the EB5, obtain a permanent residence. If you have questions about these visas, feel free to give us a call at the number below, and we will be more than happy to help you through this process.